So folks, I'm just gonna show you this delicious Indian cuisine I cooked tonight. We've got the prawn vegetable samosas, fresh from Bangladesh, nice and frozen. And we're gonna add a Chinese twist to that. I have taken these samosas here, and I have run them twice in my toaster oven on the toast setting. You can see they've got a nice golden color to them. And they're very tasty. And we're going to add a Chinese twist to them. We've got the plum sauce here, and what we're going to do is add that directly to the samosas, like so. Just squirt it on there like that. Just like that. And we're going to give a generous amount here, so we're going to actually open the second pack. I only use the wings plum sauce. It comes free with the Chinese food, you know, when it's Chinese cuisine night. I'm just going to open it here. Put down the camera for a second. So, like so. We're just going to apply a little bit more onto this fourth samosa here. Just like that. And there you have it, a delicious samosa dish with a Chinese twist. Delicious.